2019 Dodge Challenger 3.6 liter. Got something very unique done on it today. Got the factory converters into a 2.5, then it drops down into a 2 1/4. Instead of the factory X pipe, we've got a dual in, dual out Flowmaster 40 series in place of the X pipe, and we came back with 2 1/4 back into the factory piping, and instead of tying into the factory tips, we've turned it down with 4-inch tips back here, and yeah, something very unique. Got a nice unique sound to it. Yeah, most people, they'll just take the factory mufflers here and put 2 separate Flowmasters, but we just combined it all into one. We still got the crossover going on in here, so yeah, here's everything we cut off of it: factory X, resonators, and each of the factory mufflers. I'll show you how it sounds in just a second. Go. Again. Again.